Hey there, it's your friendly nerdy nerd here, and today we're going to talk about the top 9 difficulties people face when starting to exercise. So if you're feeling unmotivated or struggling to get moving, this video is for you. Let's get nerdy and dive right in. Difficulty number 1, lack of motivation. Sometimes it can be tough to get motivated to exercise, especially if you're feeling down or overwhelmed. But remember, exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain, so even a little movement can boost your mood. Difficulty number 2, fear of judgment. It's natural to feel self-conscious when you're starting something new, but try not to worry about what others think. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and most people at the gym are too focused on their own workout to pay attention to you. Difficulty number 3, lack of time. Between school, work, and other commitments, finding time to exercise can be a challenge. But remember, even 10 to 15 minutes of movement can make a difference. Plus, you don't have to hit the gym to get moving. Try taking a walk or doing some yoga at home. Difficulty number 4, lack of energy. If you're feeling tired or run down, it can be tough to find the energy to exercise. But remember, exercise can actually boost your energy levels by improving circulation and delivering oxygen to your cells. Difficulty number 5, lack of confidence. If you're new to exercise, it's natural to feel unsure of yourself. But remember, confidence comes with practice. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every small win along the way. Difficulty number 6, lack of knowledge. If you're not sure where to start with exercise, it can be overwhelming. But remember, there are plenty of resources out there to help you. Check out fitness blogs, YouTube videos, or consider hiring a personal trainer. Difficulty number 7, lack of equipment. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to exercise. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges can be done anywhere, anytime. Difficulty number 8, physical limitations. If you have a chronic condition or injury, it can be challenging to find exercises that work for you. But remember, there are always modifications and alternative exercises available. Speak to your doctor or a qualified trainer for guidance. Difficulty number 9, lack of support. Having a support system can make all the difference when it comes to sticking with an exercise routine. Consider enlisting a workout buddy, joining a fitness class, or seeking support from online communities. So there you have it, the top 9 difficulties people face when starting to exercise. But don't let these obstacles hold you back. With the right mindset, support, and guidance, you can achieve your fitness goals. And if you want more tips and tricks on how to get moving and stay motivated, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more nerdy goodness. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep it nerdy all.